Our love cannot be with us all the time. Our family cannot be with us forever. Our friend cannot be with us all the time. It's very grateful and wonderful time to be with them in the daytime. But sometimes when you are alone, when we are alone, there will be him, and if you are a woman, there will be her with you all the time. You can see him in the mirror, and of course in the outside. Everywhere you can see him, everywhere. They will be with you. And who is she? We don't know. The second chance is don't miss the conversation. The future become the present. The present become the memory. When the future plan, making good to create some deep conversation. Sometime in a long time, 5 years, 10 years, when we meet again, it will be wonderful time. The story of deep conversation is the money cannot buy the deep conversation, but you can buy with money for the creating process about traveling to create the good memory with a relation, something people, maybe friendship, family, something, anything about the master, the mentor, something. You can use the money to create the good memory, but the time passed and the memory cannot buy with the money. Is so wonderful time. And we are practice. It shares. There is a saying. You decide on your life. If you do this for 100 years, and if you look back, it's still wonderful. We are going to practice something, and we are going to train more. And just right now, about when we are missing time, there will be the learning time. Everything is learning. How to say it? Something like the more you learn, the more you earn, and you return. Something like that. So, thank you for your coming. Thank you for today and now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next project. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye for now. Nice to see you and see you soon. Have a nice day. Making good should be good. Take care of yourself and take care of him. Everything will be okay. We are together. Stay practicing together. We are still trying. So, bye for now. Goodbye.